If you're seeking a more formal, yet approachable alternative to the 4-in-hand tie knot, the half Windsor knot is a great choice. It produces a large triangular shape that conveys a distinguished appearance without the full formity of a full Windsor. To tie it, start by draping the tie around your neck with the wide end hanging about 12 inches lower than the narrow end, ensuring the seam side faces inward. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, then loop it behind and up through the neck loop, creating a V shape. As you continue the process, feed the wide end through the knot at the base of the neck loop and tighten by pulling on the narrow side while pushing up on the knot. If the tie's length isn't right, simply adjust and try again. To perfect your look, adjust the collar and secure the narrow end with a carrier loop if available. Remember, practice makes perfect.